everybody, it's me, Miss Amanda, joining you guys for another week of Pajama Dance Party. And this week, I'll be wearing my sloth pajamas. Yay! So, my friends, let's get right to it this week. We are going to start with everybody's favorite song, Shake My Sillies Out by Raffi.
Gotta shake, shake, shake my sillies out. Shake, shake, shake my sillies out. Shake, shake, shake my sillies out.
And wiggle
my waggles away. I gotta clap, clap, clap my crazies out. Clap, clap, clap my crazies out. Clap, clap, clap my crazies out.
And wiggle
my waggles away. I
gotta
jump,
jump,
jump my jiggles out.
jump,
Jump, jump my jiggles out.
jump,
Jump, jump my jiggles out.
and wiggle my waggles away.
I gotta yawn,
Yawn.
yawn, yawn my sleepies out. Yawn, yawn, yawn my sleepies out. Yawn, yawn, yawn my sleepies out.
And wiggle our waggles away.
I gotta shake,
Right, shake, guys.
shake my sillies out. Shake, shake, shake my sillies out. Shake,
Shake,
shake my sillies out.
and wiggle our waggles away.
And
Wiggle our waggles away. So much fun, my friends. And for our next song, we're just going to keep right on moving along here. We are going to do one of my very favorite songs. You know what? I think I'm going to say that pretty much for every song because I love all the songs that we do. But one of my very favorite songs, If You're Happy and You Know It, also by Raffi. Guys ready?
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it,
Clap your hands.
If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy
and
and
you
you
know
know
it,
it, clap your hands. If you're bananas and you know it, let it ring. If you're
Little
bananas
telephone.
and you know it, let it ring. If you're bananas and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're
Wow.
bananas and you know it, let it ring. If you're beautiful and
Oh,
you know it,
beautiful.
shout hooray!
Hooray!
Beautiful and you know it, shout hooray! If
Hooray!
you're beautiful and you know it, and you really want to show it.
I am a
If
beautiful
you're
sloth.
beautiful and you know it, shout hooray!
Hooray!
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Clap, clap.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Clap, clap.
If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it,
Clap your hands. That was a ton of fun. Like I said, one of my very favorite songs. And so let's keep going with a much trickier song this time. This one is Knuckles' Knees by Jim Gill.
Now bend your fingers to
Guys
show
ready?
your knuckles.
All right, bend our fingers, show our knuckles.
Perfect.
Guys ready?
Knuckles knees.
Put our knuckles on our knees.
Knuckles nose.
Knuckles on our nose,
Knuckles tummy.
on our tummy,
Knuckles toes.
and then down on our toes.
Knuckles knees. Knuckles nose. Knuckles tummy. Knuckles toes.
Ooh, that was kind of hard. Ooh, it's just going to get faster next time. So you guys ready? Here we go.
Knuckles hair.
Knuckles hair,
Knuckles hips.
Knuckles hips,
Knuckles legs.
Knuckles legs,
Knuckles lips.
Knuckles lips. Knuckles knees, Knuckles nose, Knuckles tummy, Knuckles toes, Knuckles hair, Knuckles hips, Knuckles legs, Knuckles lips. Whew, that was tough. But we got another round. I think you guys can do it. Doing really well so far.
Knuckles straight.
Oh, Knuckles straight,
Knuckles bend.
Knuckles bend,
Knuckles knuckles.
Knuckles knuckles,
That's the end.
and that'll be the end. So here we go. Knuckles knees, Knuckles nose, Knuckles tummy, Knuckles toes, Knuckles hair, Knuckles hips, Knuckles legs, Knuckles lips.
Knuckles
Straight, Knuckles bend, Knuckles knuckles, that's the end. Perfect job, my friends. And now we are going to end with one of my very, very favorite songs. One of my actually very favorite songs. We're going to end with Jim Gill's Silly Dance Contest. You guys ready? Get your silliest dances ready. My
Now
favorite.
this is called the silly dance contest, where the silliest dancer is always the best.
Hear that? Silliest dance is the best.
You just dance, dance, dance as silly as you please.
And
When the music stops,
then you freeze. All right, ready? And go.
Dance any way you want to. Dance any way you please. Dance any way you want to. But stop when
he says freeze.
Hold that freeze. As quiet as you can.
Really still.
And get ready for the silly dance contest
Round 2. Here we go.
Dance any way you want to. Dance any way you please.
Dance any way you want to.
But stop
when he says freeze.
Like a statue.
Super still.
Now if you look silly, you're doing great.
Hear that? You look silly, you're doing great.
And this time we're going to jump up and down
right,
as high as we can.
Here we go. And go.
Jump as high as you want to. Jump as high as you please.
Jump as high as you want to, but stop when he says freeze. And if you were in the middle of the air when he said freeze,
Silly face.
just gonna have to figure it out.
And this time, let's dance as fast as we can.
All right, you guys ready? Here we go.
Dance
Fast.
fast you want to. Dance fast you please. Dance fast you want to.
Let's stop when he says freeze.
I told you that was fast.
Woo.
But now here's the hard one. Dancing in slow
motion this time. All right, you guys ready? Here we go.
Dance as slow as you want to.
Super slow.
Dance as slow as you please. Take a partner.
Oh, take a partner.
Dance as slow as you want to. But stop when I say
freeze.
One final round of the silly
All
dance
right,
contest.
last round, my friends.
Dance any way you want to.
Any way you want.
Dance any way you please.
Dance any way you want to, but stop when he says freeze.
And it ends with your arms stretched way up high in the air.
Way up high in the air.
And when the music gets lower, everybody shrinks a little lower.
You guys ready? We're gonna shrink.
And then lower.
Keep going.
And lower.
Keep going.
And lower.
Keep going.
And all the
And all the way down. Good work, my friends. That was excellent. That was so much fun. And now it's my favorite part of Pajama Dance Party. Let's get ready and read a book. So we're going to do this lovely book today, Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. So y'all ready? Ooh, look at these beautiful end papers. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, and the night sounds growl, but the bear sleeps on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-patter, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Ooh, we've got a new friend here. Beautiful bunny. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare. "Long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. Ooh, I wonder who this friend is. A badger scuttles by, sniff snuffs at the air. I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share. I've brought honey nuts, Badger says with a grin. Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in. And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. Ooh, got a lot of friends this time. Ooh, how many do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 new friends with us here. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor, then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Golly, can you imagine sleeping through a party in your own house? Hare stokes the fire, mouse seasons stew, then a small pepper fleck makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. Oh no, the bear's awake. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Oh, no, the bear's awake. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping and I have had none. And he whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see. We can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. And that, my friends, is the end of our book. And that actually brings us to the end of our pajama dance party for today, my friends. It's been lovely hanging out with you guys again. I hope to see you guys again in a couple weeks. Bye, everybody.